Hello, Sanbonani. Welcome to Ghetto Fame TV Network. Okay, guys, I just come across this beautiful video as I was scrolling on my Facebook page. Okay, Amachichi Festival. So I don't know when did this event take place, but anyway, as I was reading the comment section, there is this guy. Yambona lo ogcoke ijini ngebundle black nangesikipha esimhlophe. So this lady like ekangapha ngaku left or ehlanzeni sakhe, like the time alapha ahlika lapha ema-stepsini this guy like lapha ku-disabled place lapha makehla, like mawungambheka uthinte le ntombazana i-breast. So ngibona abantu abaningi lapha bakhomenta. Umunye usisi lapha uthi, mara did you realize ukuthi umfana lo uthinte lo ntombazana like ibele, umbambile, hayi ukuthi umthintile, umbambile ibele. So and like kwaba ngathi nothing happened. So nale ntombazana iyambuka. So I just wish ukuthi le ntombazana ngathana imise yonke into, athi phela nangumuntu uyangibamba, because yazi masingabheka izinto eziso kahle kahle yizo at the end of the day eziphusha ama-GBV, because of abantu besifazane kumele bahloniphiwe. Anyway, hayi ukuthi mhlambe ngiyamjaja or kanjani, mara like kumele sitry ukuthi sizibambe, uyangithola. Ezinye izinto like kumele mani uzirespect uma umuntu, like izinto eziso kahle kahle yizo ezikhosta ama-GBV at the end of the day, because ubamba umuntu ngendlela engasingiyo, it's like like uyamharasa, uyangithola, sexual harassment and like publicly ubani nobani uyabona. So akusi into i-right kahle kahle, yizo lezi zinto lezi ekumele zikhalimelwe. I just wish ukuthi le ntombazana ngathana le ndaba mhlambe istop yama-video yastopa yonke into beyenzakala la, then yakhuluma yathi angithandi bhuti indlela le ongithinte ngayo. Anyway, rather than that, it was a beautiful festival that was taking place. Uyabona namantombazana azijabulele. Please guys, subscribe to my channel Ghetto Fame TV Network. Danko.